Guys, I'm not going to say the name of this channel because we do plan on changing the name again, but welcome to those that are new. And as we have promised, I know it's late, but I'm getting it to you. Better late than never. I've gotten some rest. That's actually why I'm now finally getting to do it. But I got some stuff I wanted to show you guys. I didn't want to leave y'all hanging. So let's start with, I've pointed, we'll brush up on some things, and then we may or may not get to some other stuff, but we will eventually get to it. However, I've pointed out several times before that, and this is just like one of the best close-up photos I could find of, whoops, it's always got to do something weird. Alright, there we go. Okay, so one male, one female. V and V makes the double U. Get it? Alright, now I want to point something out real quick before I get into other things that are just in the world out there. I've got a couple of things here, and you just now looked at the Twin Towers. One is a male, one is a female. Okay? So then you have, now this was on our last episode of a little information about more on the music, on how it's used for witchcraft, period. How to cast spells without them having to do anything because you say the words yourself. That's why they did it. So you could, so they could get you to cast a spell on yourself, because you can't cast a spell on a Christian. But if you can get the Christian that's ignorant and lacks knowledge and is actually, what does it say? We shall not be ignorant of the devil's devices. Alright, so this is more of just how the devil works. Alright, so with the whole W, intersecting V and V, 5 and 5, Roman numeral, comes together and it makes the V and V. Look what's in the middle. There's an X. Female chromosome. The Y is the male chromosome. But I wanted to point it out on the fact that they do it all the time. This chosen symbology of the two shall become one and all that kind of crap. This is nothing but Cain and Abel. Plus and minus. Plus and minus. Negative and positive. V and V, 5 and 5, W. Okay? I really want to get a hold of it, but I'll wait for that to be released. Now, let me show you this really quick. Again, I work at a music studio. I've told you guys before. But this is a CD from one of the artists up there. Now, I know for sure that they're just those type of people. These people that gave me this, they're wrapped up in it. But they don't know. That's the thing. And obviously these people that are wrapped up like this have no real respect for God. Actually, I forgot. Sorry. So, here you go. But if I turned that upside down, it's a fallen angel. Remember the Catholic Church? St. John's? Same thing. A dove upside down, or a fallen angel, is a fallen angel. A bird upside down is a fallen angel. And then here you have the Phoenix, the rising sun. square. Okay, so again, Saturn symbology. It's a square, and it's black. It's a black album. So there you go. There's some more symbolism. Now, I found it funny on the choice of his songs. Is one of them. First off, the first one is Lucky Day. Now, for those of you that have been with me long enough to know the secrets of the witch language, if I just took you see what I mean? Luc. That's the trick that they put on it. So basically that means in witch language that translates into Lucifer's day or Lucifer day. Okay? Lucky day, Lucifer day, lucky Lucifer. Now, I found this funny and odd. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1W, 1W, and 2 W's. The W, 2 W's, making the W. Okay? They know what they're doing. That's what they're doing. Don't believe me? Look what else he gave me. Same guy. Now, for your perception of Cain and Abel, of positive and negative, twin towers, male and female, Baphomet, male and female, and the Statue of Liberty when cross-referenced to the Colossus of Rhodes is also male and female. Again, representation of the W. Look what the dude gave me. Okay, so one of them says basically dudes. So one of them says boys. And then one of them says chicks. So male, and female. Okay? Plus and negative. Y chromosome. Y chromosome is the boy. X chromosome is the female. W. Look, actually. There we go. Now, how many people have you seen that where companies have logos that match that, making the W intersecting V's? Okay? Because when I take this, watch. When I take this, because people are going to be like, that's not a W. But if I Isaiah 29, sir, that is a W. You see? I'm trying to get it. Right there. There's a W. Intersecting V, male and female. Alright? Alright, so let's go to the next thing. Male and female. Alright, so male and female, let's go from there. Let's go to add the actual Statue of Liberty right there. Alright, so Statue of Liberty. Okay? She's male. Or she's female. Okay? She's holding the light. She's bearing the light. Lucifer is the light bearer. Let's see. Lucifer, right there. The morning star. Let's see what it translates into. Oh, this is another side note that I want to point out. I highlighted the word Lucifer, cross-referenced it. Obviously the word Hallel is in Hebrew. Also, I noticed if you take these same letters right here, H-A, for those of you that can't see it, H-A-L-A-L, take those same word, the same, and flip it, it spells Allah. Now, in the Bible, that is Lucifer. Alright? So that's just an awesome side note. Another thing is we've went over before that Cain is the definition of the name Cain is to strike a music note. We've went over that before as well. I wanted to highlight this in this verse. It says original or originality of sound. Okay. So anyways, though, again about back to the light bearer, it also says that Lucifer will fall as, where's it at? A bolt of lightning. And then New Colossus of Rhodes. There we go. Lands far and wide. Blah, blah, blah. Where's it at? Okay, there we go. Whose flame, she was just now holding a flame. Now also keep in mind Baphomet. Okay. And we'll go to that in a minute. So, whose flame is the imprisoned lightning? Wow. Imprisoned lightning. The light bearer. Okay. So, male is the Statue of Liberty. Okay. So we have her right here. She's also standing on top of what we've went over before. Is called a transmutation circle. 2 on this side, 3 on this side, or 4 on this side, sorry. 4 on this side and 1 on this side. So I wanted to point out the 2. So there's 1, 2 on this other side. And then now there's 1. So the 2, once you pull in Isaiah 29, the 2 shall become 1 side. All right. Let me kind of help that for you guys on that screen size. All right. And then you also have now this. Colossus of Rhodes. Okay. It says, where is it? From sea to sea. Oh, from land to land. Okay. Here's how you know. Look at that. From land to land. Okay. And then obviously it straight up says that she is the mother of all exiles. Now, there's a scripture that says, live out your life as exiles. Okay? Now we'll get to, for the last bit of this, because we're just doing a little, because I've been not feeling well, and, I've had some other people, give me some content, da da da. Okay, so that's what I was going to point out, though, okay? So you have the Statue of Liberty that is a female. You have the Colossus of Rhodes right here that is a male. I don't know what that just did. Dang it. All right. And then you have both male and female. This is Baphomet. Okay. The light bearer. Get it? The imprisoned lightning. That's what the Statue of Liberty is. Statue of Satan. Period. Also, as above, so below. Same thing I just told you. Or the same thing I've been telling you guys. Now I want to show you something, guys, real quick before we run out of time. A decoding. Alright, and so for the last segment of this, I was looking for and found it, but we'll get to that on the later on today's episode. I was looking up the Georgia Guidestones. Keep the agenda is to keep humanity under 500,000. But that's a different video. Here it is, and then here it is decoded. We will get to that and leave off on the next episode. I love you guys. Be blessed.